mixture. So now alcohol is added. Alcohol is added to this mixture. Thereby the ratio of alcohol to water becomes 2:3. If 3 parts is 27, 2 parts is 14. So X should be 5. So answer is 5 liter. A shopkeeper buys rice from wholesaler at 30% discount on market price. If shopkeeper gives 20% on market price while selling the same rice, find his profit or loss percentage. So if 1000 is the actual MRP, he is buying for 700 and selling for 800. Okay, and thereby a profit of 100 on his cost price. So 1/7 means 14 2/7%. 14 2/7%. Next, 38. If the ratio of length, breadth and height of a cuboid is 1:2:3 and its area is 88 centimeter square, then find the volume of the cube having edge length equal to breadth of the cuboid. So 2 into LB, 1x into 2x, 2x square, 2x into 3x, 6x square, 3x into x, 3x square. 2 into LB plus BH plus LH is 88. Thereby 2 plus 6, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 8s are 88. Okay, now 2x square is 8. You will get x as 2 here. X as 2 here. Thereby volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cube. If x is 2, then 2x is 4. Then length of the breadth of the cuboid is 4. Now volume of the cuboid is 4 cube, which is 64. So answer is 64 centimeter cube. See, by seeing the options, the only perfect cube here is 64. Directly you can go with this because the remaining are not perfect cubes. The length of a train is twice. Train A is twice that of train B, and the speed of train A is half of. Speed of train A is half of train B. If train A crosses a man in 4 seconds, train A length is 2x. If it is length x, it is length 2x. Okay, if train A crosses a man, so length of the train is equal to, and speed of train A is half of train B. Train B speed is 2y, it is y. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into 2x is equal to 4y. 2x is equal to 4y. How long will it take for train B to cross train A if they go in the same direction? So time taken. Time is equal to distance. Distance means sum of the lengths of both the trains, which is 3x. They are moving in the same direction. So relative speed. So it is 3x by y. 3x by y. So 2x is 4y. So 3x is 6y. So 6y by y. Thereby the answer is 6 seconds. Answer is 6 seconds. The probability of Ram speaking truth is 1/3. That of Sham is 2/5. A question is asked for both of them. What is the probability that one of them lies? So he is telling truth, he is telling lie. So 1/3 into 3/5. Now he is telling lie and he is telling truth. Thereby how much you are going to get? It is 2/3. Am I correct? It is 2/3. He is telling truth. Sham is telling truth. And he is telling false. Thereby it is 3/15 plus 4/15. So 7/15 is the answer. The answer is 7 by 50. Next, 41. The table shows number of items sold by 5 persons on 5 different days. Now, if the total items sold by A and B, including all 5 days, is 2000 and 2200 respectively, then so please see here, all 5 days. How much? A total is 2000, B total is 2200. Then the item sold by B on Tuesday, is what percentage more or less? More or less on item sold by A on Friday. So this is how much. If you subtract this 2000 minus this, you will 2000 minus 1600, you will get 400. So this is 400 you are going to get. This is 2200 minus 1650. You are going to get 550. So this is this value is 400. This value is 550 we are going to get. So now the question is 550 is more than 400. 150 by 400 into 100. So what is the answer here? 37.5 percentage. If the ratio of items sold by B and C together on Tuesday to items sold by C and A together on the same day is 2:1. So B and C together, C and E together. C and E together, it is how much? C and E together. C and E together on then find the item sold by C on Thursday. So please see here, if the ratio between items sold by B and C together on Thursday, B and C together on Thursday is same as C and E together on same day. Okay, so thereby what you can say, the ratio, it is 510 plus x by x plus 160 is equal to 2:1. From this what you got? X is equal to 190. X is equal to 190. So answer is 190. Answer is 190. What is the difference of items sold by A on Monday and Friday? If the total items sold by A is 1800. So 1800 minus, already we calculated 1600, it becomes 200. It becomes 200. So what is the difference between items sold by A on Monday? 420 minus 200, which is 220. 220. Next, if the average items sold by D on Monday and Tuesday is 245. So D on Monday and Tuesday is average 245. Average 245 means total is 490. So it has to be 280. Then items sold by D on Monday. Items sold by D on Monday is what percentage of items sold by E on Friday? E on Friday. 280 is what percentage of 400? Which is 70%. Which is how much? 70%. Now question number 45. If item sold by C on Thursday, if item sold by C on Thursday is the average of items sold by C on Wednesday and Friday, 410 plus 350, 760 by 2. 760 by 2. Then find the total items sold by C. Total items sold by C, which is if you add everything, 380 plus how much you are going to get here? 45, 250 plus 520, 250 plus, am I correct? Find the total items sold by, find the total items sold by C. If the item sold by C on Thursday is the average of items sold by C on Wednesday and Friday, 450 plus 350, 410 plus 350, 760 by 2. 760 by 2 plus, find the total items sold by C. What is the total items sold by C? You will get 240 plus 520 plus 410 plus how much? It is 380 plus 350. So what is the value you are going to get? If you add everything, you will get very close to 1900. 1900. The answer is 1900. The answer is 1900. This value would be 380. 450 plus 410 plus 350. 760 by 2 is 380. Am I correct? Next. Now questions. Now please see here 17.99. 17 point approximations is very close to 18. 18 by 3 into 1 by root 4 is equal to root x. So 2, 3, 6 are 18. 6 by 2, 3. So x is 9. X is 9. Then next, question number 47. 20% of 160, 32. 32 to the 64. Now 4 16s are. So thereby you will get x as how much? 20% of 160 is 32. Okay, this is 32. Now 32 into 4. 32 into 4 is 128 by 64 is 2. So answer is 2. Next. 23 plus 13. 36. 36 minus 20. 36 minus 20 is 16. So answer is 16. Next 68 by it is 68 by 15 into 90 by 12. 90 by 12. Am I correct? 90 by 12 is equal to 20 plus x is equal to 20 plus x. So what is the value? It is not actually 12, it is 17, man. It is not 12, it is 17. So how much you are going to get? 15 6 are 90, 17 4s are. So you will get x as 24 minus 20, which is 4. Next, 1/3 of 900 is 300. 300 by 2, 150. So 200 by, so how much you are going to get? Here you are going to get 1/3 of 900 divided by 2 divided by 199. So 200, 330, 300s are. Therefore x is equal to 100. X is equal to 100 times 300 into 100 is 30,000. So answer is option A. Now question number 51 to 55. Question number 51 to 55. Please see here, marks obtained by x. Marks obtained by x in physics is 160. So we have, which is 40% of total marks obtained by him. Total marks obtained by him. And marks obtained by Z in chemistry is 3/4 of the marks obtained by X in physics. Ratio of total marks obtained by X and Z is 4:3. So marks obtained by Y in maths is equal to marks obtained by Z in chemistry. So total marks obtained by Y in physics is, physics and chemistry together is half of total marks obtained by X. Now please see here, we need to understand X, Y and Z. Subjects are physics, chemistry, mathematics and total. Let us now represent in the form of table, thereby it will be easy for us to answer questions. Right. So marks obtained by X in physics is 160. 160, which is 40% of total marks. 40% is 160 means 100% is 400. And marks obtained by Z in chemistry is 3/4 of marks obtained by X in physics. 3/4 of 160 is 120. Ratio of total marks obtained by X and Z is 4:3. If it is 400, it is 300. Marks obtained by Y in maths. Y in maths is equal to marks obtained by Z in chemistry. So it is 120. Marks obtained by Y in maths. Y in maths is how much? 120. Next, and total marks obtained by Y in physics and chemistry. In physics and chemistry together is half of the total marks. So these two together is 200. So this total is how much? 320. Now this total is how much? 240. This is what we know. And now this total is how much? 180. Now the question is, if marks obtained by X in maths is 50% more than obtained by him in chemistry. Okay, so chemistry and maths together. If chemistry is 100%, if chemistry is 100%, it is 150%. Thereby 250% is 240. 250% is 240. Find the difference between the marks obtained by X in maths and the marks obtained by Y in maths. Y in maths. X in maths, if 250% is 240, 250% is 240, then X in maths how much? 150%, which would be 5 5s are 548s are 3 5s are 348s are 144. And Y in maths how much? Y, this is X in maths, and Y in maths is 120. The difference is 24. Difference is 24. Option C is correct. Next, marks obtained by Y in physics and chemistry together is what percent? Marks obtained by Y in physics and chemistry together is 200. Is what percentage of total marks obtained by Z? 300. It is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 66, 2 by 3. Next, what is the ratio of marks obtained by Z in physics and maths together? Z in physics and maths together. Physics and maths together it is 180. To the marks obtained by X in chemistry. X in chemistry and physics together, it is 160. So it is how much you are going to get? 2 9s are how much? 2 9s are 2 8s are. So the answer is 9:8. Am I correct? The answer is 9:8. What is the ratio of marks obtained by Z in physics and maths? Z in physics and maths together is 180, na? 180, correct? Now, X in same Z in physics and maths is how much? 180. And X in chemistry and physics. X in chemistry and physics you can't do, man. You can do chemistry and it is how much? You cannot do. Sorry. Individual marks in chemistry is not known. Chemistry is not known. Chemistry and maths is 240. Only physics is 160. So answer cannot be determined. Question number 54. If the maximum marks in each subject is 200, then find the marks obtained by Y. Y got 320 marks out of 600. 320 marks out of 600 is how much percentage? So you can say 2 zeros cancel. So the answer is how much? 53 1 by 3. 53 1 by 3. Yes or no? 53 1 by 3. Next, if the ratio of marks obtained by Z in physics and maths is 2:1, find the average marks obtained by X and Z in physics. So the ratio of marks obtained by Z in physics and maths together. So the marks obtained by Z in physics and maths together is 180 out of the 2/3. So here, if you observe here, Z in physics, Z physics marks are 2/3 of 180, which is 120. Now x is the how much? X is 160 and z is 120. 160 plus 120 by 2, which is 140. So answer is 140. Answer is 140, the required average. Now 56 to 60 are based on number series. 3, 4, here difference 1, here difference 4, here difference 9, here difference 16, here difference 25. So the answer is 58. Next, 5, 7, 13. Here 2 difference, here 6 difference, here 12 difference, here 20 difference. Here difference 4, here 6, here 8. Difference of differences, the next difference has to be 10. So it has to be 30. It has to be how much? 30. So 45 plus 30, 75 is the answer. The answer is 75. 7, 7. So here difference is 0, here difference is 3, here difference is 8, here difference is 15. So 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 1, 3 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1, 5 square minus 1 is 24, 33 plus 24 is 57. Next, 2, 7, 25, 105, 531. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 3. Now 7 into 3, 21 plus 4, 25 into 4, 100 plus 5, 105 into 5, 525 plus 6, 531 into 6 plus 7, which is 3186 plus 7, 3193, 3193. Now question number 60, 10, 13, 18. So here difference is 3, here difference is 5, here difference is 8, here difference is 12. So 2 difference, 3 difference, 4 difference, 5 difference, 17. 38 plus 17, 55. So answer is 55. Answer is 55. Now question based on simplification. 3432 divided by 4 is how much? 858. 858 into 5 by 3 plus 168. So how much? 286 are 286 into 5, 1430. 1430 plus 168. So the answer is 1598. 1598. Next question number 62. 242 divided by 6. 242 divided by 6. 242 divided by 6 into this 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3 minus 31. Minus 31. Yes or no? Is equal plus x is equal to 31. Right? Now how much we are going to get here? What is the value? 242. It is 2 2 2 3 ja. So how much we are going to get? 242 into 2, 484. 484 by 9. So x is equal to 31 minus 484 by 9, which is nothing but 31 9s are 279. 279 minus 484 is minus 205. Minus 2055 by 9. So option A is correct. Next, question number 63. 749 are. It is 98. 512 by 256. 2. 98 plus 2, 100. So answer is 100. Now 64. 1089. 1089 into 101 plus 36 into 44. So 36 into 44, what can be done? Let us apply digital sum directly. Here it is 0. Okay. Here 0. So finally 9 plus 4, 13. The digital sum, the last, see 9 into 1, 9, last digit. 6 into 4, 24. 9 plus 4, 13. The last digit has to be 3. Any of these two options. Here digital sum is 0. Here also digital sum is 0. Total digital sum is 0 out of these two options. Where? Which one? So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So here the digital sum is 9, that is 0. So answer is option D. The digital sum and the last digit. Next, question number 65. So here find the exact value. Find the exact value. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Now, if you see here, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 minus 1. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So you have three options with that. Now see the digital sum. If you check the digital sum here, 65, which is going to satisfy? Which is going to satisfy? Please check. The digital sum here, 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9 cancel, 9 cancel. Now 2 plus 5 plus 5, 9 cancel. Now here we have 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9 cancel. 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9 cancel. So finally 3 plus 6 plus 4 is 10 means 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 2 minus how much is this? 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? 4 plus 4 plus 1 cancel. 9 cancel. Now 3 is remaining here. 2 plus 2 plus 5 cancel. 6 plus 4, 10 means 1. So 3, here 3 is there, here plus 1, 4 is there. 1 plus 1, 2. No, this 1 is also cancelled now. So only 1 is remaining. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 5, minus 2. Minus 2 means digital sum 7. Where you have digital sum 7 here? Option 1. So 65, option 1. Now question number 66. So 64 into 198 plus 340 by 8 into 4. See here 17 20s are. 4 2s are. 2 10s are. So thereby here the digital sum is 0. Here you have got how much? The digital sum 20 into 4 80 by here how much you got? 17 20s are 340 man. So 10 you are getting. So where you are getting the digital sum 1. Digital sum 1 you are getting in this option. In this option. If you see here, there should be 2 in the last digit. Am I correct? 4 8 32. 32 here you are getting 0. So thereby 2 must be last digit. The only option with 2 in the last digit is 12682, and the digital sum also, if you check 8 plus 1 9 cancel, 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 10 means 1. The digital sum 1 is coming only in this option with last digit 2. So answer is option D. Next, 62 by 31% of 200. Percentage 2 zeros cancel. 31 to the 62 cancel. So 1 plus x is 4, x is 3. So answer is 3. Now 68th question. 68th question. 1728 by 12 cube is 1. 1 minus 11 cube is x. 1 minus 11 cube is x. So thereby 1 minus 1332 is 1 minus 1331 is x. So x should be minus 1330. Next, question number 69. 9 square, 81 9s are 729. 3% of 10 is 0.3. 0.3 means 3 by 10. 3 by 10 means it becomes 10 by 3. 240 by 3 is 80. 9 minus 80. 9 minus 80 is minus 71. Minus 71. Next, the last question in the quantitative aptitude section in the IBPS Clerical Mock Test Series 20. In the entire series, see 1001 into 1120 minus 1120 into 999 plus 55 is equal to x. So if you observe here 1 into 0, here 0, here 0, 5 has to be the last digit. So this is not the, am I correct? 1, this is 0 minus, here also 0 plus 5. So the last digit has to be 5. These two cannot be the answers. Now check the digital sum. Here 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8 digital sum. Minus 9 into anything is 0. 8 plus 1, 9. Where you have digital sum 9. If you see here, 4 plus 5, 9. Here is 4. So 9 cancel, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9. So this option satisfies. So option B is the correct answer. So 2295, 2295. So this is the end of today's paper discussion in quantitative aptitude. And we have already completed, we have completed now 20 mock test paper analysis. Okay, prelims mock test 1 to prelims mock test 20. So if you just practice these things and go to your examination, I'm pretty sure that you will have replica of these question patterns in your real examination. Okay, so you need not worry even if 1 or 2 questions are coming in new pattern. Okay, because whatever you are supposed to score, definitely out of our mock test, whatever we conducted these 20 days, you will definitely face more than 90%, more than 90% of the questions from our test series. It is for sure. So go with that confidence, attempt your examination with full confidence and get success. Wish you all the best. Thank you.